detonators.
It's you, Mom. Alright. I can do it. This hand is turkey free. This is the only part of the Star Destroyer. Oh, now you can see the plans. Star Destroyer plans. That's where he is. He's at the front in the by the security station armor storage.
This is the room.
The doors will open.
Assume these doors will open. What?
Just like that's cool. There.
All in. Thanks for joining the car.
BB-8. At the ready room for recruits. Commander 9-9, please report back time to use cockpit.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should we be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-9 and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Paladin and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Roger. This is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Oh, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Dead doors are away now.
Oh, rad. Take pictures.
No need for safety gear. This would ride. Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate three-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pucara. Pressure line. That's better. Check the minor in motivator. Check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Hyperdrive need to get that ready for you.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, 9-9. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pucara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep it tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on mile 1.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
Company, first order TIE fighters! Reroute! Reroute! 2 Blue 4, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump!
We lost Red 2, more incoming! Blue 5 taking evasive action!
Try to shake him, Blue!
I'm trying,
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to jump to the right!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump. This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Draw the first order. Exit out to your right hand side immediately.
Oh, that's so insane. What a TIE fighter up there.
We're like in Star. We're like in it. We're
Oh man, that's like super, super cool.
They're moving. Those aren't real people.
You transmitting to the Resistance there?
No.
Don't worry, nothing that you record here will make it out of this ship.
Off to interrogation.
Very intense.
Single file on the line. Single file.
Here and wait for further instructions.
How many in your unit? You'll stand on the blue. How many in your unit? You will stand on the red. How many in your unit? 4. You will stand on the gray. How many in your unit? 2. You will stand on the blue. How many in your unit? 4. You will stand on the orange. On the gray. On blue. You will learn order for this ship. It's too many. It is important you remember these colors that you are standing on. I'm glad you know it. These colors will become important should you be transferred to long-term detention. I don't know if interrogation will take that long. Sure, one of you should tell us what we want to know. We know you are headed to the Resistance base.
Guilty.
At attention.
Hey, how's it feel being
Being in what? Aren't you going to be the one to tell? You need to realize that the Resistance has failed you. Make your mom proud? New giggy out. Orange to the cell.
So,
Gray to the cell.
what?
Oh, it's up there.
I think you're right. This is an elevator.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your eager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Lily.
Wait, you're still here? Poe's coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way. Take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
For your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right.
Probe droid.
Probe droid? You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait,
Find them out and correct. Pick these two droids anyway.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
We're dropping.
Escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Here we go, ready? Oh shit.
shots came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Rhino, scan for his spot beacon.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! Oh, you're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
We made it!
Oh, totally worth it. That was great.
Yes, that was great. All right, where's the exit? This way.
This way.
All right.
Oh, it's like super fun.
Yeah. It wasn't like too jerky where you're like, oh god.
No, it's great. It was really cool how at the one end they had the mirror, so it looked like there was a couple more behind it and you kind of sat. Like there was
Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very cool.
It was really cool.